Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Durango headlight. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. You'll need a few basic tools, primarily a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension. Having a flat blade screwdriver can also be very helpful. Make sure your Durango is parked on a level surface, which will make the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Next, we need to gain access to the headlight assembly. You'll typically find an access panel in the front fender liner. Carefully pry its lower edge open. Through this opening, you can reach and remove a 10mm nut that secures the back of the headlight unit. Additionally, remove the two 10mm bolts located at the top of the headlight assembly, often visible under the hood. With the fasteners removed, grasp the headlight assembly firmly and pull it straight forward. It might require a quick, firm tug to disengage any remaining clips or ball studs. Once the assembly is loose, carefully reach behind it to disconnect the electrical connectors. These usually have a red locking tab that needs to be pried up before pinching and pulling the connector off. Take your time to avoid damaging any wiring or bulb sockets. When reinstalling, carefully align the headlight assembly with its mounting holes and push it firmly into place. Reconnect all electrical connectors, ensuring they click securely and the red locking tabs are engaged. Before fully tightening all bolts and nuts, reconnect your battery and test the headlights to confirm they function correctly. Finally, adjust the headlight beam using a Phillips head screwdriver if needed, aiming for proper visibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.